iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone 17 Pro Max 256 GB. This one is cosmic orange color. See guys, iPhone 17 Pro Max cosmic orange 256 GB. It's Malaysian phone. It's brand new sealed one. So today again we unboxing this orange color. Many time we unboxing orange color. See guys, it's brand new sealed. Today I show you something secret also. Wait, don't be confused. You can ask me anything. You can put this inside here all over the world country SIM card. I make your video also. Don't worry. You will come in front of the camera now. You can ask me anything. Don't worry. Same like this phone, this one. But that one is different country. That one is different country. If you buy any Apple phone, first thing that warranties have international. You buy from me phone. Let's suppose you later you go back UK or Canada or Hong Kong, any country. If something wrong, you give this phone, they can claim the warranty free. They didn't ask you this phone you buy from Malaysia. We cannot claim the warranty. We cannot do like this. Like this. So this one is you can claim all over the world. Apple warranties always is international. But if you buy, let's suppose is Apple Care Plus, that one is more better. Let's suppose if you buy Apple Care Plus, sometimes people broke the phone. They will do free. But the warranty is different. The Apple Care Plus is different. Apple Care Plus you can call is insurance. Yeah, if you broke the phone, he will give you, replace you. But if you didn't buy the Apple Care Plus, you broke, they never replace you. Yeah, that's why the warranty is different. The Apple Care is different. Yeah, Apple Care you can call. I tell you already the insurance. Same like this. You buy in vehicle, you buying insurance also. If vehicle is accident, insurance they make claim is free, no charges. But if you don't have the insurance, then you need to do everything yourself. Yes. This thing is different. So now we start to unboxing. You do? अभी हम इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करने लगे. ये मेरा दोस्त आया है जी, नाइजीरिया. You can do. I give to phone this my friend. He will make video for you. You can unbox. Yeah, I will make video. I send you. Airdrop you. Yeah. Na. Okay, put here. Yes. Wow. Okay, turn on. So where this one cable? The cable is where? Before I sell this, my friend 16 Pro Max. I show you. यार ऐसे यार फलाना हाँ भाजी वो आईफोन 11 फलाना यार 10 यार एक टेलीवेयर को आईफोन 11 फाड़ के लेके ही MDM MDM 64 GB कितने बॉस उधरों मिलना उधरों ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਏ ਜੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਦੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਮਿਲੇ ਜੇ ਚਾਰਜ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਦ ਕੀਤੇ ਨਾ ਬਟਨ ਫੋਨ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਨੇ 80 ਪੀਸਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਓਏ ਯਾਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਚੀਨੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਲੈਪਟਾਪ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਸਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਫਸ ਕਰਾਈ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਰਾਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਫਲਾਣੇ ਚੀਨੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਮਾਨ ਲੈਣਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਜਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਸਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਇਹ ਨਹਰੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ 300 ਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਮੈਂ 280 ਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ ਬਿਗਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਚੜੇ Yeah. Now you can select the country, which country you want to select. But no need to select the country because you want to transfer the data, right? Yeah. So I automatically everything come. Same come.
Okay.
Okay. The SIM card inside WhatsApp with not with you, right?
Yeah. Okay. So
I will transfer everything come same. I show you. Just wait, I will transfer. Before I sell him iPhone 16 Pro Max, this one I show you iPhone 16 Pro Max. See, this one iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before I sell this phone. Okay. अभी हम इसका डाटा ट्रांसफर करेंगे ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਆ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੀਸ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕੋ ਵਧਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਵਧਾ ਲਓ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਰਦਰਦੀ ਹੈ Yeah, I will start to transfer the data. But first here I will connect my Wi-Fi. My YouTube channel.
okay, you have
Yeah.
I've seen you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch your YouTube channel.
Yeah. So I will upload there. I will send you the link also. Edward? Edward, my friend? Give me the charger. Type C. The tea is nice, right?
Yeah.
Charger also. Yeah. Charger also. Yeah.
I know this guy now.
Casey? This Casey?
Yeah, I know.
This Casey? This Barry? This all my friend. Yeah.
I know.
I. What the password? Screen password? Okay. Continue. Put your face. M11 ਕਿਹੜਾ ਭਲਾ
MDM 64.
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਵਾ Put same password है
12 को पूछा था कोई भी क्या
ਉੱਥੇ ਲਿਸਟ 'ਚ ਪਿਆ ਵਾ ਯਾਰ They are very long. I think my friend that one is 2022 or 2021. This all person. Yeah. He coming directly here. Mostly he didn't came. He wants something I send home. Yeah, he didn't came. He's nice person. One also have, assistant?
Huh?
Assistant?
Assistant?
Assignment.
Simon?
Yeah, you know that guy?
No, I don't.
That guy also my good friend.
I know that one.
You know the name?
Yeah.
Yeah. अब हम इसका डाटा ट्रांसफर स्टार्ट लगा दिया है You want more tea? Water?
Thank you.
Water? हाँ भाजी एक पानी की बोतल तो देना चाहिए You didn't buy the airports? Airports. Airport, this one. You don't like? Really? This one is good. See, I have. This one is original one. Yeah. No need to take out the phone. Hello, I just put in here. Here, hello. Yeah, just talk. This one is nice. You want to see? I bring. You don't have watch also. You never buy the watch. See the watch. This one also good. लिस्ट च है देखी हाँ एक ही चाहिए ਉਹ ਭੇਜ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਾ ਜਾ $200 ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ 200 ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ 200 ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ मैं अभी डाटा ट्रांसफर स्टार्ट हो गया हाँ They will take
long?
no like 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Here they will show you the time. You can see. Yeah, here they will show you the time.
No, pack.
That one is very fast because inside is normal data.
This phone don't have pack cover.
You buy?
Why?
No free. No you say facts नहीं.
Extra charges sitting.
है नहीं मेरे को कैश है
मेरे को भी नहीं है.
मेरे को नहीं है आप को ले ला फिर मेरे को नहीं है.
Friend, you give me cover pack.
I give you already
And
less
screen
price.
guard also we don't have.
Yeah, screen. New phone, how could be possible? Screen guard. When you open the box, after you put screen guard. Yeah. Now it's new phone.
New phone don't have screen guard.
Yeah. That one I'll later put. You buy, I will put.
Why you give me?
No, my friend. Why I give
My
you?
friend, you give me pack, then you give me screen guard.
No, I give you free. I didn't give you free. Yeah. You can buy. Yeah. Give me money, I go and bring.
Go bring.
The cover and the screen guard. Yeah, you give
It
me
comes
money.
with it now.
Yeah?
You know, when you send me this one, you give me cover.
This one I send you. That time I send. This time you come. If I come, I bring free. If you come, then you pay. This is business, brother. Yeah. That time I come, right? I come. I give you this phone. I give you everything free. No money. Now you come. So you pay.
No, brother.
No, brother. You pay.
Okay, I pay for one. Go bring
Danish.
the screen guard.
एक मिनट दानिश 16 प्रो मैक्स ਦਾ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਟੈਂਪਰ ਗਲਾਸ ਲੈ ਆਈ ਅੰਦਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਤੇ 3-4 ਕਵਰ ਲੈ 17 ਪ੍ਰੋ ਮੈਕਸ ਦਾ 3-4 ਕਵਰ ਲੈ 17 ਪ੍ਰੋ ਮੈਕਸ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਟੈਂਪਰ ਗਲਾਸ ਹਾਂ 3-4 ਲੈ ਆਇਆ ਬਸ finish almost see
Phone is.
yeah because you have small data
Okay.
yeah this cover you know this cover which one I'm using this one how much I buy
How much?
This one in Apple have 199.
Wow.
Really?
No one that one. Give me the normal white one.
But see, I like, I buy. I'm not thinking. You
But it's
thinking. Costly doesn't matter. This one I'm using, not for someone using. If I like something, I buy. I don't care. You see my. I like, I buy. I don't care about money. Yeah, today I'm here. Maybe next day I die. I don't know. Then money who take? No, then that's why I enjoy lah. Yeah,
That's nice.
good. Really, you should to enjoy. You should to. If you like something, you should to buy. Don't be think. Maybe money come again, but life not come
Not
again.
come again.
Yeah, money always come again.
How much I change this stream before and break?
Screen.
Yes.
This one screen.
11 Pro Max.
Which one you want screen?
I just want to change it.
Original
Maybe
or what?
later. Original?
Now I can change for you.
Maybe later I send to you change. Then you send to me. Right added to
Okay, later if you want, no problem.
yeah,
Later.
later I send so you change for me. Afọ m ya mana ede ka nkịta na o nwere ụmụ ọzọ ị na-arahụ ụra na ama m ya ị na-agba ọsọ o kpọrọ m na tega kpọọ m ebe ọkpọ m ebe agụ akpọ m ya nne ya nyere na slip nso moto ewukọ n'ụlọ ị na-akpọ ọrịa ịkwado m my man my G ka ị na-akpọrọ m ala nwunye m
See?
Oh.
Same come.
Wow.
Yeah, put the password. I tell you everything same come. Yeah, put your face lock. Remove the cap, should be fine.
What's this thing?
Set up later this setting. Okay, this is the stolen protection. You own already. Okay, this good. Okay, you own already. No problem. Yeah. Continue. So, what's up? Not now. You need to put your Apple ID password. This one, yeah. Ji? ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ हाँ
6 नान है
चल फिर गरम चल उत्थे ले खोल मैं आ रहा
ठीक है
he send you the OTP for your phone you can see
yeah I see
hello yeah this is the OTP
I want to
now you give me feedback put your hand and blah 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 and I will make photo give me some okay give me some feedback too for channel in your language no need after say in English first you say your Nigerian language after you say me in English also no problem yeah people see after they will come
okay the
Okay.
phone is good okay you say now first used I think the phone is good
Yeah, I think the phone is I give you the new phone this is not
the
you
phone is good and I
you can
really-
speak in your language Nigerian language you can speak it that language
okay waiting a line for the phone is good well and I think I go enjoy the phone very well
ah
which I'm very happy everything is going well and the phone and everything wey dey the phone very sharp your gaga and the phone cha
Ocha, you my guy. Okay.
the phone cha ocha phone
Yeah.
gaga
Okay.
there is nothing
Yeah.
much
Thank
to
you.
say.
Thank you. Thank you.
You well you well too patronize him he has new phone I really likes the phone okay
Show me phone and like this. Like this. Yeah, like this. See here.